Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Monday, and a new week is upon us. Okay, we saw a little bit of a pullback with the SLP, but I don't think that is actually very good pullback. Okay, there's a little bit of chance for SLP to actually still continue in this range and then go to the downside. Now, the one thing that I can actually tell you is that, do you remember that reversal wave to the downside that I told you on a 145 level, 145? Actually, SLP might be backtesting the 145, which was the 1.618 of the fib retracement, to be rejected to continue to go to the downside as well. Okay, so it's a very risky environment at this point of time. Until now, it is still risky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try go into the 4-hour time frame and let me try to actually explain that scenario that I just told you. Okay, so here we are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, take the fib retracement, take this low to the high right there for the reversal wave, and let's talk about the reversal wave. Previously, I told you about this one, that the reversal wave, there's a good possibility that, we go down to the 1475. Do you see that? You are going to the 1475. And that's where you're potentially going to be rejected on because that's the 1.618, that's the golden ratio. If you try to cross the golden ratio, amazing. And all you're doing is you are going up and you're finding resistance right at the 1.618. So it is a big resistance right over here. Yes, you could actually play a little bit here, make people think that it's actually bullish, and then boom, you start to go to the downside. You really need to get above 147. Okay, when you get above 147, that could be actually a little bit better. Okay, it might make a little bit of a reversal pattern, and then this will be nothing more than just a V-shaped recovery to the upside. It does look like a V-shaped recovery almost, but it's not that convincing to me just yet. Okay, all it seems to me is like you are losing a support and you're still going to the downside, and you're finding resistance right now of what used to be support of the 1.618. So there's no glory, man. There's not really any big glory. So let's look at the volume. The volume is just okay, good, but not excellent. Okay, it's just good, just normal. So what I'm gonna say is, you guys have to be very, very careful. I've just told you the both scenarios right now. It's really important to still cross that level 148 and the close above it, maybe on a daily time frame or a weekly time frame. But the technical target still pens, okay, which is the 94. You never came down to the 94. There is still a good chance that you can actually drop again and come down to this level. And yesterday I even told you that if you start to close below 87, to me that's it. You're gonna go way more down, even maybe further 20-30% to the downside. So that's it for this quick SLP update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.